Hi, Summer. How are you? Can you tell everybody you have your second cold? Say, I have my second cold, and I don't like it. Can you tell them? Say, I don't like it. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. You got a big runny nose, huh? You have a big runny nose? Do you? And a little bit of a cough? Oh, I'm sorry. Can you say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Can you say hi? Summer's 5.5 months old, and sometimes she says, hi, Dada. Can you say that? Say, hi, Dada. Can you try it? Say hi, Dada. Oh, are you going to get yourself off of here? It's pretty big now. I don't know if I can zoom this out enough to see. Say, look how big I am. And what do? I go all over roly-poly. I go all over roly-poly, huh? Say hi. Hi. Can you say hi, Dada? Say hi, Dada. Can you say hi, Dada? Can you say hi, Dada? Oh, that one's cute. Say bye, everybody. Ready?